The construction industry is characterized by exponential growth of advanced geosynthetic materials application. Introduction of such materials is becoming not just a matter of prestige, but economically justified line of business. Geosynthetics means the special purpose materials applied in resolving of engineering problems in the construction industry throughout all branches of the national economy. The global practices are indicative of the fact that geosynthetic materials are annually made use of in over 1 billion projects. In the geosynthetics market, the SLAVROS is positioned as a major domestic manufacturer and seller with 100% of Russian equity. All the products have permits, licenses and approvals from the key branch institutes, certified laboratories, including those from the Russian State Road Research Institute. During 8 years of successful operations in this market niche, the SLAVROS company mastered the production of a number of brand new and high-tech materials manufactured by extrusion technique: oriented geogrids, volume geogrids, geomembranes, drainage composite and geotextile. Polymeric materials from the leading domestic manufacturers, polyethylene and polypropylene, are used as raw materials. The manufacturing facilities of the SLAVROS company are located in the city of Rostov the Great, Yaroslavl region, and the AVAX works. In 2009, AVAX was certified based on ISO 9001 International Quality System. The SLAVROS company's priority is in the production of biaxially oriented geogrid SLAVROS SD, designed for reinforcement of inert material structural layers on the contact of sand to broken stone or soil to broken stone. The material allows for considerable cheapening of construction due to saving of building materials, elongation of period between repairs, and the lifetime of the roadbed, and for minimizing of the cost of the subsequent work on the construction project maintenance. The uniaxially oriented geogrids SLAVROS SO manufactured by the company are polyethylene grids with elongated and narrow ribs oriented in a single direction, which allows withstanding high loads. The advantages of using geogrids are reduction in the area required for construction, reduction in the volume of purchased filler materials, and the possibility of replacing them with local soil. The basic areas of applying geogrids SLAVROS SO are erection of retention walls, bridge abutments, steep slopes, earth dikes, erection of embankments on soft soils, and restoration of landslide slopes. The next strategic project of the SLAVROS company is volume geogrid SLAVROS GR. The geogrids are neutral to aggressive environment, non-toxic, resistant to ultraviolet radiation, to soil medium, fresh and salty water, and maintain their properties during the entire period of their service life. They are used as soil-saving protection of slopes of higher steepness for construction of trunk railways, flyovers, bridge crossings, tunnels, for strengthening and landscaping of near-shore areas or water bodies and canals, for strengthening of small watercourses, and also for landscaping of grass plots and gardening of parks, recreation grounds and car parks. The geomembrane SLAVROS is an advanced polymeric material meeting stringent environmental safety requirements and provides reliable, durable waterproofing and protection. The geomembrane is used for construction of disposal burial sites, industrial water engineering, for lining of tunnels, and in other branches of civil engineering. Currently, geotextile sheets with various features and properties are enjoying wide application in the building sector. Geotextile is a non-woven material of rayon, which provides for its high physical and mechanical properties. Owing to the optimum mix of its properties, apart from the conventional applications in the road and erosion preventive structures, geotextile is extensively used for construction of roofing, foundations, and communications. At the same time, such fundamental functions of geotextiles as segregation, filtration, and drainage are made use of. The drainage composite SLAVROS drainage is an alternative to conventional broken stone systems and consists of a volume geonet and the geotextile attached to it on two sides. It is economical and durable. The drainage composite is extensively used in construction of tunnels and railroads, as well as in construction of drainage systems. The materials of the SLAVROS company have been made use of for construction of a number of large-scale projects in Russia and CIS countries, such as in the Russian Federation, Highway Khanty-Mansiysk-Gorno-Pravdinsk-Tyumen Khanty-Mansiysk, access ways to the deposits of the Neftinvest company, Suek-Kuznets coal basin for construction of temporary access roads to heavy-duty dump trucks, Zarechny coal strip mine, M4 Highway Don, sections of M8 Highway Holmogori, Sevalmaz OJSC, construction of Toyota car factory. In the Republic of Kazakhstan, construction of an ash pond, construction of Shimbulak Alpine Skiing Resort, city of Almaty. In the Republic of Belarus, construction of Minsk-Molodechno-Naroch Highway, broadening of Paveditely Avenue, city of Minsk. The SLAVROS materials and technologies are an established standard of a quality, economical, reliable, and environmentally friendly construction, ensuring a substantial reduction in the period of a project construction, and an increase in the lifespan of structures with infliction of a minimum damage on the environment.